Okay, so for the grade 3 class, we did the test on lightning row today. For those who were ready to do it, there was quite a few that played the test today, which was good. Just some things I noticed that I want to draw to attention. When we have lightning row, we have to always see the difference between quarter notes, these, and the half notes, which are those. The half notes have to be longer and slower. Okay? Sometimes that was just being forgotten. So I'm going to just actually play the song again for you and really watch the half notes and you can see how much longer they are. And so here's lightning row. Okay, so the half notes, just to make sure, repeat, they're the ones that are not filled in. Those are the ones that are twice as long, twice as slow. In the first line, there's 3 of them. That's where you have to make sure you see that, and then that'll be good. I would really encourage the children to memorize the song. It just makes it that much easier to get all that timing right. And also they can watch their fingers better to make sure they're actually landing on those tapes that we put on their violins. Quite a few of the tests today, the fingers were just not quite finding that mark. And so if you can memorize, then you can really look at your hand and make sure those fingers are landing exactly on those tape marks. Okay, and also it allows us to watch the bow to make sure the bow doesn't ever slide over the fingerboard. We want the bow to always play between the bridge and the fingerboard. And so if the bow ever slides over here, the sound gets weaker. So when the memory's there, we can focus on these 2 things, making sure those fingers are on the tapes and the bow is really nicely between the bridge and the fingerboard like that. Okay. But overall the tests were very good today. Those who didn't do the test today, you want to do it on Monday. Monday will be the last day to do the test on lightning row. Okay, and that's all for grade 3s, and happy practicing!